So some trends that we're seeing right now with service providers is really around how to deliver great customer experience. I think if you ask someone if they enjoy going into a restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, or going into the Apple store, they'll typically say yes, but they'll dread calling an airline or going into a telco store. And we kind of thought about that, and the obvious question is why? Why is it that we like going into some places or interacting with some enterprises but hate interacting with other ones? Our belief is that it's not the core services that telcos deliver. It's actually the experience at the touch point. So it's the frustration that we get from calling the call center, or getting frustrated that it takes too long to get service at the retail store. And that's kind of the area that we focus on, and the problem that we solve. In terms of trends, when it comes to telcos and service providers, communication service providers, I think there's a lot of talk about commoditization of the services that are being delivered, especially for wireless companies, and this move to data and IP-based communications. And whenever you go into a commodity-based business, there's a focus on cost. So there's a huge focus on cost cutting. And the same experience that Apple can deliver in their stores may not be the same experience that a telco can deliver because of the cost. So cost savings is an important one, and figuring out how to optimize your different channels to work together is really important, I think. Getting them to reduce the amount of time it takes to service a customer is very important. No one likes to be on the phone for half an hour, 15 minutes, or dealing with someone for that long. I think it should be a focus to increase that. And number of calls you have to make to resolve a call is also a big issue. Those are all areas that we focus on, and we have a record of improving. And I think in terms of other trends that we're seeing is technology-wise, a lot of this has to do with the speed and the computing efficiency that's available to us now, is being able to optimize our experience across a lot of different areas, whether you're at home or you're in the store or you're at work. In terms of how this impacts service providers, I think it's a kind of a consolidation of these great technologies like video, online video, video with mobile devices, real-time web, real-time communications between agents and customers, and kind of the family of technologies that are coming together to create a really holistic and positive experience for customers at the end of the day, and with the note to reduce the cost for managing those touch points.